Current time is 11:13 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is NOAA Weather Radio WNG698 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for North Central Ohio over station WNG698 from Grafton on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. On the latest weather map, a trough of low... This is a test of the Weather Service Weather Radio warning alarm for the WNG698 listening area of North Central Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service Weather Radio warning alarm.